Hey family! Today we are going to combine three of my favorite hobbies: gaming on Roblox, crafting, and collecting. I'll show you how to win the texting simulator egg for your avatar, and I'll also show you how to make miniature cell phones for your dolls. Finally, I will unbox a mini Polly Pocket doll. Let's get started! Well, I'm a total noob when it comes to this, and this is my first time playing. Walking is so slow on this map, but it is pretty small, so no worries. To start your hunt, simply go to this hacker guide on Text Simulator. Go to each one of the terminals marked with arrows and then enter the code showed at the bottom on each terminal. You will be collecting parts of an egg. Every time you enter the correct code, you might get a part of an egg, or you might not. When you have collected them all, you will finally get the prize that comes with it. And it is an egg hat for your avatar. Now you can equip it on your avatar and decorate it. Now let's get to crafting. For this craft, I'll be making a simple cell phone. Make one by using a printable from a magazine, circular, or newspaper, or you can download it from our website simplekidscrafts.com. First, let's make the case for the cell phone. Next, let's make the phone itself. And voila! Pretty simple, no? Now let's open a mini Polly Pocket. These are very cheap in my area, so I bought several of them. I love these since I was a child. They're so detailed and so cute. I have so many accessories for them. I love how they can stick to the houses and also to the little accessories. You can also use it as a backpack charm or as a locket. And that's it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from my channel. Bye!